everywhere. Hello everybody. I'm here with another box reveal for Oasis Box. So, are you ready for this? So this is as you know, as probably most of you know, it's a gardening club for kids that comes to your door in a box, and we are going to reveal the box of August because most our customers, the little kids, they have received their August box and it's time to reveal it. Usually reveal it after they receive it so that it is, the surprises aren't ruined for them. Okay, are you ready? So let's get this opened up and see what's inside. Okay, so this is how it looks like a gift package. Over here, we tell you what all the things, all the goodies that are in your box so they can check them. And engagement. So you get to actually share not only your kids' engagement with the box, and let people know, but also the things they grow, because every box has a seed pack and instructions are in there so that they can grow it. So that's what is there. And then let's open up the little package. So with this box, every month feels like your kid's birthday. So it is essentially, they get this package and they get excited about it because there's so many different colorful goodies in here for them to get their hands dirty and get growing indoors or out. And this is all year round, so every month they get one, even throughout the winter. We're here in Canada, it gets cold here, but we still keep growing indoors. Okay, so there's all the time you get these. So let's see what's in here. So we have obviously a seed pack, and this month's seed was last month's seed. August seed was lettuce, so leaf lettuce was what they were growing. And obviously there's instructions in here for growing it, and that is the instructions. So let's take a look at that. So here we have the instructions for the month for the growing the seeds that were in the box. Lots and lots and lots of colors and step-by-step instructions and questions and things that can get your kids' mind into working. Maybe they get excited, they go do some research about this, and all that is in there. The shopping list. So obviously the seeds are in the box. A lot of times even we put soil in the box, so all kinds of different things. As much as we can put in the box, we put in the box. But sometimes you actually have to go sometimes purchase things for them, or look around the house and see if there are things you can reuse and things like that. All kinds of suggestions so that they get to actually grow what's in here. At the back we have games all the time. This is for the kiddos who can read and who are get excited about the word games. Obviously we have for all different ages in this box, so those who can't read, the parents can help them with following the instructions, and there are other things for them in the box that gets them excited. So that's that. So the seeds were in there and the instructions on how to do that for the little kiddos. Oh, I think my box is missing the coloring pages. Okay, so that's just because they knew they're preparing this for me. They probably forgot things and they didn't care, but we double check everything that comes to you. So this is embarrassing, but that's fine. So every one of the boxes has, for the number of kids that you have in your household, up to 3, has a coloring page that is with the theme of the month, because every month has a theme. Okay. And every month you get a quote-unquote lesson. It's an intro card. So, and this one was fast maturing veggies. So we're talking about those veggies that get there really, really fast in less than 2 months. What are those? What does maturity mean? Things like that. This is for older kids if they want to go deeper, but it is actually designed really, really creatively and colorfully so that all kinds of kids can actually benefit from this. But again, we have stickers for the younger kids, we have coloring pages for the younger kids, so it from 3 to 13, all siblings can work together, grow their seed pack according to instructions, and have lots and lots of different fun that comes in the box. So what else do we got here? We have an extra activity card this month, and this was about growing, regrowing romaine lettuce, because remember, we grew lettuce and now we want to regrow romaine lettuce for seeds, because when you do that, you can see the picture, it bolts and then it gives you seeds. So that's how you do that. Obviously, as every month your kids get this card that they can actually track their progress. If those are the one, if your kids are the type that like to track their progress, they can do that. And there's points for every activity, and they get to actually collect their points in the middle, and they get to use this to put it online and, you know, enter into contests and things like that that we always have. So that's that. What else is in here? We have, okay, so you grew your lettuce. That was in the pack. You had instructions step by step. What next? So how do you take care of your lettuce now? So lettuce care is there. How do you transplant it? Do you need to transplant it? Do you not need to do that? What's the spacing? It's a short maturing, so how do you harvest? Harvesting, everything goes in there. That's more advanced if your kids want to, you know, dig deeper into that. And then let us grow seeds. That's the extra activity that you had in the other card. It's about that, it's related. As you see, everything is themed around the same theme, okay? Okay, this is a fun activity for the younger kids and sometimes even the older ones, those that are into collecting things. The collectors in the club, they get this and they get a ring with it. So this is like, you know, these are cutouts and there's holes and they can collect it with the ring that we attach for them. And these are garden talk cards, conversation starters. So for example, what's in here? Do vegetables get mature too? What does that even mean? Do they get mature, or what does it mean for them? Name a really fast maturing vegetable. That's another one. And so on and so forth. So conversation starters about the topic of the box. What else do we get? Always we have stickers, always, and mantra cards. So what's the mantra of the month this month? It says, we plant fast maturing crops all year round. Because we can. Because we can grow them indoors. They're fast. They don't need a lot of deep soil, things like that. They're really, really exciting, because from the seed to harvest, it's some of them even just 1 month. Your kids can actually see them grow. They're that fast, right? So, and you can do that all year round. And that's the mantra of this month. Obviously, as always, you can collect your sticker, which is in here, of the month. These are all collectibles, and you can't get them anywhere else. And here, and you can put this in the board. Every member in the first box, they get a cork pad, and they can collect these, and we give you even the pin for these that goes in, that goes with this. So you collect your sticker and put it on your pad, cork pad, and all these mantras are always up there, and every once in a while you can, you know, take a look at them for your homeschoolers. You can get to review them together. It's a fun collectible thing that we have every month. And what was the sticker of this month that goes on your mantra card? Fast Veggies. I don't know how much you can see, or if the colors show on the live, but anyway, so that's the stickers. And this box keeps giving. And we also included a reusable woven, non-woven fabric grower bag. So essentially this would be your pot that you put the soil in here and you grow your lettuce seeds in here, and it's deep enough for your lettuce to grow all the way. So you do it according, you grow it according to the what's it called? The step-by-step guide. That's colorful, exciting, engaging. And then if you want to go further and not to harvest them right away and eat them, if you want to grow them for seeds, it's deep enough for you. So you essentially get everything that you need, other than the soil, because this much soil we couldn't possibly fit in the box, but it is in your shopping list, so you know exactly what you need. And with that, you get, my staff are amazing. I don't know how they actually put this in the box. Let's try to see if we can do that. Okay. I don't think I can put that back in the box, but we'll try. So this box had the stickers and mantra card. It had this bag that came for your lettuce to grow, for you to grow your lettuce in there. We had the lesson about fast maturing vegetables. We had the growing activity card. We had the garden talk card collectibles. These are cutouts. We had the extra activity, and we had the garden wins of the month for your family. And we had the seed pack, obviously, and we had the coloring pages, which was missing from my box, but you get them. And then we had the lettuce grow seeds and the care, how do you care for your lettuce after you grow them in the bag and all that. And all of that, all of the goodness actually somehow fit in this box. I have the most amazing staff that does this, but anyway. It all went in there and came to you. The list is right on top, and you get to share with your friends and family and everybody. And this was essentially the box, the Oasis Box of August. We are really proud of these, and our members love them, and then they share, they grow it and they share it, and they get excited and all that. So it's really lovely, and we have the privilege to serve our members. If you want to be, if you want your kids to be part of this, if you're on Instagram, I'm going to put the link there. Oh, if you're on Instagram, go to the bio, and the link is there to join the wait list. We're closed right now, but we have a wait list, and there's always spots available, so you can join. We'll send you an email and let you know, and you can join. But make sure you're on the wait list, okay? Because if you want to be in on this, next time that we have spots available, you want to be on there. And if you're on Facebook, I already put that link in there. And that's about it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope we ship to US and Canada. So if you're in the US or in Canada, anywhere, you get to have it. Join the wait list. Join the wait list, and I hope I can see you in the club very, very soon, as soon as we have spots available. Okay, that's it for me today. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.